A silent transformation is happening right now. You can feel it at work, in conversations, maybe even in the quiet of your own thoughts. It's not loud, it's not chaotic, but if you listen closely, you'll notice. The ground beneath us is quietly shifting. A new era is beginning, not with a roar, but with a whisper. AI is here, and it's not just a buzzword anymore. It's reshaping the world, moment by moment. And maybe you've had that quiet fear. I know I have. That one day something, not someone, might take your place. That a machine might do your job. Maybe even do it better. If you felt that, you're not alone. You're not being paranoid. You're being honest. And today, I want to talk to you, not as an expert, not as a techie, but as a friend. Someone walking this path beside you, asking the same questions, and searching for answers that feel true. You and I are living through a time of massive acceleration. AI is now writing emails, drafting reports, tutoring students, editing videos, answering customer questions. And it's doing it faster than ever. It's like someone opened a hidden door, and suddenly we're walking through it. And no one handed us a map. The truth is, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's Tuesday morning in the break room. It's your next meeting. It's your student asking if I can do their homework. So if you feel uncertain, anxious, even resistant, that's not weakness. That's being human. Many of us have wrapped our identity around what we do. I'm a teacher, I'm a counselor, I'm a writer, I'm a parent. When that identity feels threatened, of course there's fear. What if I'm no longer needed? What if my skills aren't enough anymore? Those are questions of belonging, not just productivity. And I want to be honest with you and say this clearly. It's okay to feel that way. But maybe right now you and I can think together about all the things AI still can't do. It can't look into a child's eyes and say, I believe in you. It can't listen to someone's silence and understand the pain behind it. It can't inspire comfort or spark wonder. Not the way you can. It can replicate patterns, but it can't hold space. It can't care. It doesn't carry the stories you carry. It doesn't hold the depth of your life experience. It doesn't know the power of your presence in a room. This moment isn't asking you to become a machine. It's asking you to become more you, to remember your humanity, to deepen it, to share it. Curiosity, emotional intelligence, flexibility, compassion. These are the new superpowers. And we don't have to fight AI. We just have to stay rooted in what only we can bring. So, where do we begin? Start with one small thing. Use AI as a partner, not a threat. Try letting it brainstorm with you, outline a lesson, organize a project. Let it do what machines do best, so you can focus on what only you can do. And if this conversation speaks to you, I invite you to subscribe or share it with someone you care about. Together, we can keep lifting each other through this new era. Don't run from it, walk with it, on your terms. Because AI may be powerful, but you are irreplaceable. You are not a job title. You are not a task list. You are not obsolete. You are human, and that is enough. The future will be shaped by technology, yes, but it will be healed, lifted, and guided by people like you and me. Stay curious, stay grounded, stay kind. If you feel called to keep walking this path with me, you're warmly invited to stay. There's so much more we can discover together. Until the next time.